Now this is the sander head attachment that forms part of the Multi-Evo range. The sander head is perfect for small and intricate DIY projects, where you want to sand tight spots and corners. The Multi-Evo range from Black & Decker allows one power platform to be used as a full range of power tools. With this compact system, you simply attach accessories for tools like a circular saw, jigsaw, router, drill, driver, sander, and more, allowing you to easily complete DIYs just like this one without having big bulky tools that take up space. A perfect gift for anyone. For more on each of these attachments, check out the clips. The sander head is perfect for small and intricate DIY projects, where you want to sand tight spots and corners. It sands at a rate of 8,500 orbits per minute and weighs only 1.3 kgs, so it's never strenuous, making sanding easy. The sanding head comes with various grits of Velcro-backed sanding pads, so you get the best possible finish out of the sander. It also has a vacuum port attachment that clips into the dust port to make sanding less dusty. Overall, a great attachment for finishing all your DIY projects. Now this is just one of the attachments available in the Multi-Evo range. For more, check out the builder's website or visit the YouTube channel.